Imagine spending hours making YouTube videos, only to watch them flop. This is painful, right? The truth is, it usually comes down to 3 mistakes, and fixing them can change everything. My name is Dennis, and after growing several YouTube channels past the 20,000 subscriber mark, this new channel is for small educational YouTubers like yourself that want to make a living without millions of views. So let's get into it. Number 1, assuming the algorithm is the problem. A lot of creators think that the YouTube algorithm is somehow against them. And if I have to be honest, I can see a lot of comment sections full of resentment and really wrong ideas about how YouTube works. You see, the YouTube algorithm is not primarily here to serve creators. It's there to serve the viewers. And if we understand that, we can use the knowledge to make better videos that connect with our audience. Because at the end of the day, you and YouTube should have the same goal, which is to satisfy the right viewer for your videos. Now, if you don't get the views that you want, don't overanalyze or obsess about vanity metrics in the beginning anyway. Instead, it's better to just focus on solving a problem that you know your avatar has. And always remember, you have to know who you make videos for and what problem you want to solve. And focus on things like the idea of your video, the packaging, meaning title and thumbnail of your video, the intro of your video. You see, but even if you know it's not the algorithm's fault, you need to make sure that you don't make a second mistake that I'm about to mention right now, which is making content for everyone. We are educational YouTubers, and what that means is to deliver a transformation in our viewers. We want to help them overcome something, or learn something, or master something. At the end of the day, we solve a problem. And the foundation of having a successful business as an educational YouTuber or a business or a coach, consultant, something like this, is to not make content for everyone, but to make content specifically for our avatar. The reality is that you will be confronted with the temptation to make different videos because you know they might get more views. You know, by going a little bit more broad with your topic, a little bit more generic with your title, you will get more views. That's actually true. But the problem is you don't want more views. You want more of the right views. So making content for a too broad audience is a big no-no for every creator who actually wants to make a living on YouTube by selling solutions to problems. We win by being ultra specific, like literally make videos that can only possibly be interesting to your avatar and talk about only the problem that you actually want to help them solve. Don't go into generic topics. And when you do that, then remember the next point as well, because it's crucial. Focusing on information instead of transformation. Because educators often have this thing of just piling on facts and tips and steps, and they just give a lot of information, but sometimes what they miss is focusing on the actual transformation. You know, giving steps that are not only theoretically correct, but things that can be put into action that bring real results. At the end of the day, what we want to sell is a transformation. Nobody gets ultimately excited about just knowing things. We want to be doing things, and we want our viewers to be doing things. So focus on transformation and problem solving versus just passing on theoretical advice. Viewers don't want data dumps. They want to see how their life is better if they apply your solution. And by the way, if you are an educational YouTuber, a business or a coach, consultant, or anyone who has a digital offer that you want to sell through YouTube, then I have a community that you should definitely join. It's called the YouTube Business Kickstart. And in that community, you will find my very own YouTube title outlier database, my YouTube thumbnail database, to get your channel to consistently 1,000 views per video of the right viewers. And maybe most importantly, just accountability with me and with other creators just like yourself. Click below on the first link in the description to apply for the community right now.